He's still dead when you're done with the bottle. Of course it's a corpse that you keep in the cradle.
Hey, I haven't even introduced myself. I'm Jaguar. I'll take care of the rest.
And your friend? Absolutely! It was time I moved on. He's a friend, he's just a friend, he's just a friend.
Adrian, I love you.
Got something there in there.
He's still dead when you're done with the bottle.
She's the one I'm running with. She's the one.
He's still dead when you're done with the bottle. If I was you, I'd wanna be me. I'd wanna be me. Wanna be me. Right.
Hard. I need something hard. Like, I feel the beat and it's all like, and I need to do this, okay? 1 second.
If I was you, I'd wanna be me. I'd wanna be me. Wanna be me. Right.
Yeah.
He's still dead when you're done with the bottle.
Yeah, okay. I need to go. Oh, save and yeah, okay. Hello there. I need to save again because yeah, why not? I need to save. I need to save. I need to save. Yeah, I need to save. Yeah, definitely save again. I need to save. Save. Yeah, save. Of course, save. Yeah.
He's still dead when you're done with the bottle.
Okay, go on to my explore. Yeah. More and more, and I saw this. Oh, I saw this. Anyway. Oh, that's pretty cool.
A few inches later.
Okay, 2 minutes left. Maybe something you haven't? Oh my god, no. So unexpected. Of course, nothing new. Maybe an explorer? No, I saw this everything and before. So boring.
One eternity later.
Okay, maybe something now, no? No, okay, never mind. I don't want it, of course, no, I don't want it. No.
He's still dead when you're done with the bottle.
Oh my god, I so love this edit. Oh my god. It's so cool, I love it. Oh my gosh, I never unsaved it. I never unsaved.
1 hour later.
No. Why save this edit? I don't like it anymore. Okay. Yeah, unsave. Probably.
2 hours later.
Where is that freaking edit that I saved 2 days ago? Where is it? I can't find it. Where is that? No, please. I cannot save it. Oh my god, what is that? Please, I need to find it.
He's still dead when you're done with the bottle.
You're my nicotine, I'm your dirty teen. You're my girl, you are my reason to believe.
You're my ecstasy. You're my ecstasy. I'm your. He's still dead when you're done with the bottle.
Okay, maybe I can watch something on YouTube or Instagram. No. Don't look at me like that. Okay, open you. Okay. Dude, stop looking at me like that. Okay, I open you. Okay. Where am I? I'm always open up there, everywhere. It's like, when I can fix just After Effects. It's always open. No depends. Always. No matter what, I open this freaking shit.
He's still dead when you're done with the bottle.
What? My internet. Okay, I get it. I just need to pretend that I'm not here, I'm not exist, and the Instagram like, oh my god, she's not here, so upset. I need to continue edit. Yeah, it's a good idea.
He's still dead when you're done with the bottle.